I guess Grease Monkey going around looking for a toad frog. I guess Grease Monkey going around the tree looking for a toad frog. No contact on Grease Monkey. I guess Grease Monkey is walking around the tree looking for a toad frog. Oh. I guess my friend old Grease Monkey down there around New Orleans on the other side is looking for a frog, a toad. He want to get a wart on his hand. He want a wart to grow on his hand. Let me get out of here, man. Let Grease Monkey pick up a wart. I'm back out.